Corrosion is one of the most distinct phenomena which may destroy the infrastructures, and hence many of these structures need rehabilitation. Again, in water transmission pipelines, the corrosion may cause a waste in the precious material, water. To get rid of corrosion, many attempts have been done in the past decades. Nowadays, using polymer pipes is one of the most effective methods to defend against corrosion. It's noted that the polymer materials do not have high mechanical strength as those of the steel pipes. However, by using a composite structure in the pipe wall as a combination of glass fibers and polymers, very good mechanical characteristics in comparison to steel pipes may be attained. In addition to resistance against corrosion, this kind of high-performance pipe is so-called the GRP. GRP, in fact, is the abbreviation of glass reinforced polyester. Farassan Manufacturing and Industrial Company began manufacturing GRP pipes in Iran since 1986, and by now has been the leading company in fiberglass pipes, fittings and vessels technology in Iran. Moreover, about 2,000 kilometers of pipes being produced by this company have been used for different projects in water and sewage irrigation, seawater transfer, petrochemical, oil and other industrial projects in Iran. GRP pipes produced by Farassan Company have a safe life about 60 years and are being produced in diameters from 25 to 3,000 millimeters with class pressure of 1 to 32 bar. Moreover, they are being produced in 3 different stiffness classes and never undergo corrosion due to their special structure. Pipes produced by Farassan Company have been tested by attested foreign centers, including the WRAS Water Regulation Advisory Scheme and also Ministry of Health Treatment and Medical Education of Iran, and have been recognized as appropriate for the transfer of potable water. In addition, the pipes may be used for transfer of seawater to industrial complexes, urban sewage collection, and transfer of raw water. For that purpose, a large number of petrochemical complexes and power plants throughout Iran have used GRP pipes manufactured by this company with diameters up to 3 meters with application of the sustained quality control system. The quality of GRP pipes manufactured by Farassan Company has been approved by TÜV Germany. TÜV certificate has been issued based on the quality of Farassan products, through which TÜV Germany has reviewed and approved our products based on ASTM, DIN, and ISO standards. In addition, Farassan Company has succeeded in obtaining ISO 9001 version 2000 certificate in management. Since 2003, it has been a candidate of being awarded the National Award for Productivity. In 2006, it succeeded in being awarded the Crystal Statute of the National Award in Productivity as the only private company doing so. The value of the award is shown more by the fact that in 2006, only 4 companies in Iran were awarded this statue: Farassan, Iran Khodro, Sabco, and Mobarake Steel Company. Pipes and fittings produced from GRP have the following characteristics: a minimum safe life of 60 years, corrosion resistance and no need to internal and external coatings and cathodic protection, very high mechanical strength as compared with other pipes such as steel, cast iron, and steel pipes. GRP is regarded as a flexible pipe. Resistance to earthquake due to its unique structural and connective features. Smoothness of the inner surface leading in less pressure drop in GRP pipes as compared with other types of pipe. Very high chemical resistance to corrosive fluids, acids, hydroxyls, sulfated soils, etc. Capable of being used for transfer of fluids up to 120 centigrade temperature and high pressure. Light-weightedness. It is noted that at equal pressure and diameter, the weight of a 12-meter branch of GRP pipe made by Farassan company is about 1/4 that of a steel pipe. Faster and cheaper mounting as compared with other types of pipe. Using Reka coupling for connecting pipes together, which tolerates up to about 3 degrees of deviation without leakage. Capability of being connected in flange form. The flange is also of GRP material and will be connected to the steel flange using screws. Capability of providing glued and lock joint couplings for pipelines with a high actual load. Possibility to mounting the pipes with above ground and buried in a depth from 1 to 23 meters. Capability of rapid repair without the need to stop the fluid flow. In the past years, Farassan company has established R&D department and has embarked on manufacturing filament winding machines. This task has been fulfilled by establishing Farabart company as a subsidiary of Farassan. Moreover, the GRP pipes manufactured by Farassan company are supplied by Faratech Technology. Moreover, Faratech develops and provides the technology for the filament winding process and accessories for complete piping systems. New materials and suppliers are qualified based on the strong given requirements for quality and performance. Moreover, Faratech develops and provides the technology for the filament winding process and accessories for complete piping systems. New materials and suppliers are qualified based on the strong given requirements for quality and performance. New product design for optimizing new material consumption and improve product performance. New products in order to permanently complete the GRP piping system, and innovative ideas are the basis for a strong place in the world of competition. As mentioned before, Farassan company follows a natural growth strategy inside the country and abroad. Moreover, we are looking for strong and reliable partners. We could imagine to run into a joint venture with you, respective affiliated companies. Our strength will be to deliver machinery for the filament winding process on reasonable price level. Provide the most modern and updated technology to run the process on competitive level. Supply permanent update of know-how and equipment. Grant training and education on site and in our facilities. Transfer of know-how for sales and marketing.